This is Nancy with Nancy's Garden Soap, and I just wanted to do a quick video on mixing two different neon colors of Bodacious Blue and Yellin Yellow Neon to make a green, hopefully a Christmassy green color. I have a little bit of the oil that I'm going to use in my soap. I'm going to make a Christmas soap, and I figured that I was going to be mixing these guys up, and I'd show you what it looks like when you mix a blue neon. Here it is right here. And that's maybe a half teaspoon right there, and I'm going to try a quarter teaspoon of the neon yellow, and we'll see what it looks like mixed together. Hopefully I'll get a decent green. I think that's looking pretty good. Keep mixing. And neons don't really mix that well all by themselves. To kind of, I generally add the soap to it and then use the stick blender on it. If you have one of those mini blenders, I guess it's a mini blender, small little thing they sell, you could mix it up that way to make sure that it's fully mixed together. And I'm thinking this looks pretty good. Can you see that color? It's a pretty decent green. Looks kind of Christmassy to me, and so I'm going to give it a go with a Hollyberry and Ivy Christmas soap that I'm going to make in a little bit, and hopefully I'll be able to get a video up for you on that within the week. And there you go. That was basically 2 parts of the blue and 1 part of the yellow. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.